In this video, you will learn how to be public figure on Instagram. The process is really simple and it is similar for Android as well as for iOS devices. So nothing to worry about if you are on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once you are connected with the internet, tap and open your Instagram application. So once you have opened your Instagram application, tap on this mini profile icon located on the right bottom corner of your screen. This will open your main profile page. After that, tap on these three horizontal bars located on the right top corner of your screen. A pop-up menu will open. From this menu, tap on the very first option, Settings. So once you have opened settings of your Instagram account, tap on this account option, the third last option. Scroll down below and you can see the second last option is switch to professional account. So in order to be a public figure on Instagram, make sure that your account is not a private account. So to make an unprivate account, tap on switch to professional account. Then continue and continue. So you can select any category from this. I'm selecting personal blog and then tap on done. Wait for it to load and then tap on select any of this category, creator or business. I'm selecting creator and then tap on next. So now this account has been converted to public account, and you can see that there is another option of insights and promotion. So this was the process by which you can be public figure on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe before leaving. Thanks.